Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at ChargePoint. Now, I know ChargePoint in the past has had a few issues, a little trouble getting started. I've been to a few of their stations, pretty good. Most of them are in service. They've had some maintenance issues in the past, but man, I really like this company. And I know, well, with Tesla's network opening up, supercharger network, that's a good thing for everybody, okay? But ChargePoint has some really good contracts. They are going to do great things, okay? They're making some really good relationships and partnerships to establish for the future and really expand their network. So I'll let you guys go read their news stories and stuff. And all right, so a lot of Americans are going to be switching over, but they definitely have a good game plan. All right, you can see I'm very bullish on ChargePoint in general, and they're establishing good relationships with a couple of key companies that's really going to roll their network out and expand it for the future. So this is a good bet for me. I already own a bunch of this stock, and I own it at a higher price point. I do have some. My cost basis is probably around $20 for one account and about 15 for another account. So I'm starting over fresh in this account, hopefully with a $10 price target in the shorter term. Longer term, this thing is going to the moon. Maybe not a Tesla type stock, but you know, it's going to be good. So let's go trade. It's $9, so I'm going to go with just 2 for right now. I'm going to go 66 cents, and I'm going to say sell to open, and I'm going to send that order. I'm going to view the order. So the EVs are out of favor, along with the charging companies are out of favor right now. They are coming back, going to be coming back strong. So you can see our position here at ChargePoint. I don't have any shares in this account. I should probably get some. But right now it's hard to track, so I guess let's get some tracking shares at least. So I just would need to get some tracking shares so I can track this company. I'm actually going to dump full 100 shares. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. I believe in this company a lot. It's $900. Yep. Okay. Fine. Like I said before, ChargePoint, QuantumScape, the whole EV sector, out of favor. But they are going to come back strong in the next year or two. So I have a lot of faith in these guys. They're making the right moves. So be sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for my real-time stock trades. Join the channel at the appropriate level, options level or dividend level, whatever you guys are interested in. That's what level you should join at. So it's going to be pretty cool. We're going to track these over the next couple years, and I'm going to add to my position because I really like these guys. So be sure you guys join the channel, track the progress, and join up with me. Maybe hit Robinhood up, use the links below, or SoFi or somewhere. So just get involved. All right, guys, thanks for watching.